Hey, are you tired of dealing with constant ringing in your ears or struggling with hearing issues that just don't seem to go away? If so, I've got something amazing to share with you today. Before we dive in, let me tell you that I've been using Quietum Plus myself and the results have been incredible. If you're ready to improve your ear health and overall hearing, make sure to click the link in the description below to get Quietum Plus directly from the official website. Remember, only buy from the official site to avoid fake products. Right now, there's a special offer that you don't want to miss. So, what is Quietum Plus? It's a 100% natural supplement specifically designed to support your ear health and improve hearing clarity. But here's what sets it apart. Instead of just masking the symptoms like other products, Quietum Plus works from the inside out, addressing the root causes of hearing problems. Its formula includes powerful ingredients like Mucuna Pruriens, maca root, Tribulus terrestris, and dong quai, each backed by research to support better blood flow, reduce inflammation, and protect your hearing as you age. Plus, it even helps with issues like tinnitus, those annoying ringing sounds that never seem to stop. The best part? It's super easy to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water and you're good to go. No complicated routines or weird diets, just simple and effective results. Now let me share my experience with Quietum Plus. I started using it about 4 weeks ago because I was dealing with tinnitus and occasional hearing difficulties. Like many of you, I was skeptical at first. I mean, can a natural supplement really make a difference? But let me tell you, within the first 2 weeks, I started noticing changes. The ringing in my ears became less noticeable, and I felt more focused and at peace. By the end of the 3rd week, the ringing had almost completely gone away, and my hearing felt sharper and clearer. It's not just about hearing better, it's about getting your peace of mind back. Quietum Plus has given me the confidence to focus on my daily life without being constantly distracted by my hearing issues. One of the best things about Quietum Plus is that it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you have 2 full months to try it risk-free. If you don't see the results you're hoping for, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. Honestly, that guarantee gave me the confidence to try it out, and I'm so glad I did because I haven't needed it at all. The results have been worth every penny. Oh, and before I forget, stick around until the end of this video because I have a little surprise for you. Right now, there's an exclusive discount available on the official website, but it's for a limited time only, so don't miss out. All right, let's wrap this up. If you're tired of struggling with hearing problems or just want to take better care of your ear health, I can't recommend Quietum Plus enough. It's natural, effective, and backed by a 60-day guarantee, so you have nothing to lose except maybe that annoying ringing in your ears. But here's the catch. Quietum Plus is only available on the official website. So don't fall for knockoffs or fake products. I've included the link in the description below, so click it now to grab your exclusive deal while it lasts. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried Quietum Plus or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. Here's to better hearing and a better life.